Hey, you.
He said he lied.
He lied?
I don't know.
What'd you lie about?
What did you lie about? He said it's $8. You were right, though.
I was like, not so much. Say hi.
Hi.
Let's see your nose. That's
my
not
nose.
what I meant. Let's see your nose piercing. It looks so awesome. So today has been Lindsay and Megan getting nose piercings.
You would be the best friend. Fine.
And then we're going to Ikea.
But how long would that take?
But we had to stop at Buc-Ee's because Yuri and Lindsay have never been to Buc-Ee's. So we stop inside Buc-Ee's and we all grab snacks like a bunch of middle schoolers that have never seen snacks before.
Give them a bite.
It's been awesome.
Yuri sandwich.
It's actually pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Take a bite. Go
Look
ahead.
at that. It's so yummy. I'm recording. I'll take a bite here in a minute. But yeah, so we're at Buc-Ee's and leaving now and it's going to be fun. The Ikea. Yay.
We probably don't even. Boys.
Are y'all selfieing?
Come.
So we made it to Ikea. I think my favorite part so far is trying to pronounce the names of things. Like a Hafsta. Niflurgen.
Yuri's looking at his face. He's looking so crazy.
What you think?
Very comfortable. It is soft.
Yeah. We're having all the fun. All the fun in Ikea. There it is. Look. Hauga.
I really want a couple of these.
Where's a Flurgenbürgen?
I don't know where they belong.
Look, another Hafsta.
Lindsay.
So yeah, I may not be completely into the shopping part, but the names are solid. Fun
They like
stuff.
to sell stuff in bundles at real. Feels like home.
Feels like home.
Feels like home.
Oh my gosh, that was
Blanket
great.
is amazing.
So we are wrapping up our trip to Ikea. Megan and Lindsay are over there in this section. Basically, it's like the returns and scratch and dent and stuff like that. But overall, it's pretty good. We had a lot of fun making fun of the names of everything. And then we found what we needed. We found the bookcases for the laundry room shelving that we're going to do. Megan has done so much work to it. I'm excited to show everybody on a vlog. We didn't really record it happening, but once we get everything complete, it'll be a cool video to watch. But yeah, I hope everybody enjoys watching our trip to Ikea. It's a huge place. All of that there is rows and rows of their furniture. And look, oh, that's me. I tried to zoom in on the stuff right there. That's great. Rookie. So yeah, there's our 4 bookcases, extra shelves, some connectors. It's gonna be a fun little project. We did use these shelves before in a built-in project in our old house. You can click on a link above and it'll take you to our playlist for the old house.
I don't know how tie knot. You tie knot like we
What?
I don't know how to tie knot either.
You do. You worked at a carpet mill. Why ain't you tying this knot?
I don't know, because you're up there.
There's certain types of knots you're supposed to do here, but I don't know what it is. It's not that
Make it a
kind.
pretty bow. Pretty bow.
That's not
gonna do it. Hey, babe, you're gonna want to do this probably.
Upfeta? Upfeta. Upfeta.